I'm supposed to be camping right now, but I've had a massive sinus infection, so I thought, erring on the side of caution, not going to do that. Actually slightly devastated, but something that I did do is already pack my bags. So I'm going to show you what I take camping. Some of the things I don't have here, I usually store in my pannier. So they're things like food, water, and my electronics. Just stuff that I have easily accessible. But everything else, I'm about to show you. I store everything that I need for camping, besides from what I just mentioned, in this 50-litre dry bag. That way I put it on the back of my rack, tie it down with some rock straps, and everything I need is waterproof and in the one spot. So this is my sleeping bag. This is my summer weight sleeping bag. It's only rated to like 0 degrees. So sometimes I'll bring the sleeping bag liner, which makes it a much higher rating. This bag I like to bring because, as you can see, it's really small, so it fits nice. That's where I keep my clothes, just to keep them nice and in one spot. This pouch here, paracord, mozzie coils, lighter, bush repellent, sunscreen, wet wipes, cutlery, a torch, just bits and bobs that I always use. 3x3 tarp. This right here is a tiny little folding chair. It's basically a stool. I really don't need more than a stool. New investment, and it's a hiking tent. It comes in its own little dry sack, and it's a little bit higher quality than the old $14 Kmart special that I had been using previously. Inflatable mattress so that I can lay down comfortably. Gotta love the old retro Tupperware camping mug. That's awesome for hot and cold liquids. Just a general pretty shit bush knife. And this here is my camping cook setup. Everything nests inside itself. Got a larger pot with the butane fuel in there. That's the stove itself, and it's got a self-igniter on there and a smaller pot on top. So it all just stacks neatly. Easy. And this here is my little portable fire pit. So you can set it up, and it has a grill top as well. It all packs up into that little bag there, and I keep that on the bottom of my pack. So it's not a very big setup, but it sure as hell does the trick. It's pretty much got everything I need. All I take alongside this, as I said, is food, water, and electronics, and I'm set. So there you have it, guys. That's how I pack my bike to go camping. I look forward to showing you many more camping adventures in the future, but for now, take it easy, and I'll catch you next time.